Avoid these common mistakes. Mastering prepositional phrases as adjectives. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of prepositional phrases as adjectives. We'll be tackling some common mistakes that occur when using prepositions in adjective prepositional phrases. Let's improve your English grammar skills together. Before we delve into the common mistakes, it's important to clarify what prepositional phrases as adjectives are. These phrases include a preposition, its object, and any associated adjectives or adverbs. They work as adjectives by modifying nouns or pronouns, providing more information about them. Let's consider an example. The dog in the green park is very playful. Here, in the green park, is a prepositional phrase acting as an adjective, modifying the dog. Now, let's explore some common mistakes that learners often make when using prepositions in adjective prepositional phrases. Mistake 1. Wrong preposition choice. The English language has a multitude of prepositions, each with its specific uses. Unfortunately, they don't always directly translate from your native language, leading to common errors. Incorrect. She is interested in English literature. Correct. She is interested in English literature. Mistake 2. Unnecessary prepositions. Sometimes, learners use a preposition where it's not required. This is especially common with the prepositions of, to, and for. Incorrect. The solution of the problem is simple. Correct. The solution to the problem is simple. Mistake 3. Omitting necessary prepositions. The opposite of the previous error, this mistake involves leaving out a needed preposition. Incorrect. She is responsible the project. Correct. She is responsible for the project. Mistake 4. Preposition placement. While English is flexible with preposition placement, it's still crucial to place your prepositions correctly to convey the intended meaning. Incorrect. Who is the person you are speaking to it? Correct. Who is the person to whom you were speaking? Now that you're aware of these common mistakes, it's time to practice and cement your understanding. Try to create your own sentences using prepositional phrases as adjectives and double-check your prepositions. Remember, it's completely normal to make mistakes while learning a language. The key is to learn from these mistakes and continually improve. Thank you for joining us in this journey through prepositional phrases as adjectives. We hope this video has been helpful in identifying and avoiding common mistakes with prepositions. Keep practicing, and soon enough, these grammatical constructs will become second nature to you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.